So we got an SX12 SuperWinch.
SuperWinch.
We put this Badlands winch face on to play a joke on this guy.
You fooled me for literally 0 seconds. Like, clearly that's a soft shackle.
This does not come with a Bluetooth remote, so we will have to have a place where we can plug it in. So we'll probably be cutting a little slot in the grill here to be able to put the control box. This was supposed to be rope. That's what the guy told us when we bought it, but it was not. So he ended up giving us this synthetic rope for free. Once we hook it up, we're gonna unspool it and then throw the synthetic rope in there.
There's part of me that's actually really glad that Nicholas doesn't live close by.
That's mean.
Don't get me wrong, I like it. However.
Oh man. Don't lose it. That's important.
What was the problem with this?
It just wouldn't get in there tight.
Maybe you can elaborate on this. How do we get to the top of this bolt?
How do we take this nut off to take the bumper off on the, it's on the driver's side?
Well, it's on both sides. So the bolt is inside the frame rails. We can't get to the top of the bolt.
Yeah, you can. We put the bumper on. You have to take the light pod out.
Oh. Thanks, buddy.
Alright, man. Bye.
Bye. Ooh, sticky. Yeah. Yay, now we can get to the top of the bolt. Ready? Whoa.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do some chopping, my dog.
Yeah?
You guys will.
Probably right here, right?
Yeah, we gotta
Chop it right here.
We gotta chop that.
On both sides.
You know what's funny? Is I just picked up some new Sawzall blades that were on sale.
That's mine.
See? You don't want to ever try to cut like this. You always want to try to find an angle where you're like tackling it. You know what I mean? Straight through.
No. Because I'm waiting for it to be a song that I know.
I've been waiting for a song I know. Dude, like new blades are a game changer. That was tight.
Well, then won't be at the right angle.
Hold on.
What do you want me to
Get
do?
this out of the way.
SuperWinch.
SuperWinch. How good is your wrench? It's super.
Oh, you're gonna smash my finger. Oh, I know you're gonna smash my finger.
I'm trying so hard not to
You're going to.
do that to my fingers. See, the thing about it, Matthew, is the crescent wrench is man's pinnacle of engineering.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Sorry, censor that.
There's no way I thought that was gonna work.
6.5 inches. 7.5 inches. Tight.
For sure.
Had you just looked up the measurement of the winch
How was I supposed to know this?
before
How am I supposed to know this?
before you welded all of this,
I didn't weld it.
before Nicholas welded all of this, you would have known that, you know.
Okay, so we ended up figuring out that this is not enough space for the winch to fit. So we're gonna have to chop here and lower this winch plate about 1 inch. And then we're gonna put thick plate steel under here.
So we're gonna box it basically. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fab ourselves inch wide plates that'll go here, here, and here height-wise. And we'll kind of box that section in and drop it down.
Nash had the idea of building these little horseshoe brackets as spacers and then putting the winch plate on, and then that way it'll actually fit.
Yeah, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna reinforce from here to the winch plate, because this is only, I mean, I don't even know what that is, maybe 1/8 inch. So this is not structural, people. This is just a spacer. Just gonna space that, give us enough room to put the winch, and then we're gonna just reinforce the connection from the frame to the winch plate. We're not very good at welding, so we're just gonna use
More metal.
a ton of material. And so like more bad welds equals less good welds.
1 good weld?
Yeah, like 10 bad welds and 5 pounds of steel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Equals a good connection.
Yeah, maybe. I guess we'll see. Oh, I'm gonna get roasted, dog.
We're gonna use some 3/8 plate, and we're gonna actually kind of beef this thing up a little bit, just welding from the winch plate to the frame rail in the sides and the back. That way we have like a super solid connection for our winch. And then from there, we're just gonna plug this bad boy in and see what happens. All right, so given that that we mounted the control box for the winch on top of the bumper here, we are going to have to cut the grill a little bit. So what I did is I just took a cardboard cutout of this shape here, and then we're going to cut that out of the grill. I'm hoping that the grill is back enough to where I won't have to cut an extra lump out of it for this window here. So we finally shaved enough. The door comes out. There we go.
Do we count how long it takes to run it out, since you can't free-spool it because of where the bumper is?
No, we're not counting that.
Oh,
we're not counting that.
interesting. All right.
But we're gonna count how
When
fast
I
it
get
pulls.
mine and we do a 1 to.
All right. He's pulling it. Not bad, huh?
Not bad.
All right, so we have hooked it up to little D. We're gonna measure it, and then we're gonna time how long it takes to pull it all the way up. Yeah. All right, so we're doing 20 feet. Nash is gonna time it. Better not cheat me on this, because I know you don't like this winch.
I so don't care about how fast it rolls the line in.
Why does he have to ruin everything? He literally ruins everything.
38.8 seconds
Oh, that's
to go
not bad.
20 feet.
That's not too bad.
This winch is so fast, dude.
What do you mean? It's faster than the Badlands one. Well, we did it. We put it in, and it works.
It's right there.
I don't know how strong it'll hold up, but we're gonna try our best, you know?
Now we just gotta do something stupid and use it and
Yeah.
see if it breaks.
At least it looks cool, you know?
You
It
know,
looks kind of cool.
either I am going to really regret ever doubting your ability to slap stuff together, or we're gonna go out and get so much content on getting this thing out of the predicaments that you put us in.
It's gonna be the first one for sure. The
Yeah.
first one. 100%. 100%.
I mean, yeah, it's already busted a tie rod. I guess you're the only one we've had to do a trail fix on so far, so.
Yeah, because
hey,
I
that's what the
freaking
people want.
Yeah, because I freaking went full on that.
I followed you.
But yours is smaller. It's easier for you. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. And yeah.
Adventure friends go home.
Yep.